Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little Furby.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. We're all here.
Yeah.
How are you?
Oh, very good. Thank you.
Are you ready to draw a Furby?
Oh, yeah. Yes, please.
Should we start?
Yeah, I want to make some art.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
Artie, do you have your pens and your paper?
Yeah.
Should we begin?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm excited to see what Artie's gonna create today.
So am I.
Let's start drawing a little circle right in the middle of the page, slightly towards the left, and make sure you shade it in completely black. That's it, Artie. Now the same on the right side. Try and make the circle about the same size if you can. Oh, Artie, I feel self-conscious. There's two little eyes staring at me. Let's make those eyes look a little more friendly. Draw a larger circle around the first one, but use a thinner pen, just like Artie's doing. That's right, Artie.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Now we're going to draw an even bigger circle, but this time we'll use the thicker pen again. Notice how Artie left a little opening at the bottom. We'll do that also on the right eye, so come on around, Artie. But remember to leave a little gap at the bottom. Do a little bit more. That's it.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now we're going to draw a circle for the nose, and we're going to fill in those gaps in the eyes that we left earlier. You see? Now it looks perfect. Draw a little curved line inside the circle, and then another one underneath. And now it looks like the mouth is open. Now we're going to draw a little shape on top of the eyes, just three little curved shapes. That's his forehead. You're singing while you work, Artie. Now let's do the rest of the head. A big curve on the left and a big curve on the right. Continue along the top, joining the two sides together. Perfect.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Now let's draw the hair on top of the head. It's a sort of similar shape to what we drew on his forehead. Now it's time for the ears. Furbies have really big ears. So do a big half oval shape on the right with a smaller half oval shape inside.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Now draw the left ear and try and make it match the right ear if you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get it as close as you can. One of the fantastic things about art is nothing has to be perfect.
Mikey, should Artie take a dance break?
Dance break? Okay, you can take a dance break, Artie. Go on, off you go.
Artie is having so much fun. Dance, Artie, dance.
audience will agree with me, but it has to be a 10.
Man, what a great dance break.
What a great dance break, Artie. I love the way you were clapping your hands in time to the music. Yes, dance break. Come on, let's get back to the drawing. Let's draw the Furby's body. A back to front J on the left, and a correct way J on the right. And then on the left side, do a bigger one. A bigger back to front J shape. That's it. Now let's draw a proper J shape on the right. That's very good. Let's draw his fluffy chest. A little fluffy chest shape right in the middle of his body. Left side first, and then the right. Furby's feet are very easy to draw. Draw a C, then an oval, and then a back to front C. Let's try again on the right side. Draw an oval, and then let's do a back to front C, and then a right way round C. There we go, 2 feet. And a line along the bottom.
Do you think he should give it a splash of color, little artists?
Only if he uses his markers.
Yes, come on, Artie. Let's colour it in. It looks great, Artie. I love the way you used pink and yellow for his body, his little yellow chest. Oh, and his blue eyes. It looks really good. So cute. A cute little Furby. It's a good one.
Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker. But until then,
Have an Artie day!